What is a backlink? A backlink, often referred to as a link, is a mention of your website on an external website. From the screenshot below, you can see that website A links to website B. As a result, site A has an external link to site B, and site B has a backlink from site A. Quite simple. So now you know what a backlink is, let's find out exactly why they're important. If we go back to our car analogy, you'll remember me saying that on-page SEO is the car's wheels and the chassis, where off-page SEO would be the car's engine. So let's imagine we've done on-page to perfection, and we have the best wheels in the car and the strongest chassis and so on and so on. If we was now to put in an old engine from 100 years ago, we obviously wouldn't get the best results. The car, for example, it might keep running into issues, or even worse, it might fail to start. This is why backlinks are super important. Typically, on-page SEO isn't enough to get you to page 1. However, what on-page SEO does do is provide you with a really strong foundation which you can then build upon. A backlink represents a vote of confidence from one site to another. In essence, backlinks to your website are a signal to Google that others vouch for your content. SEMrush carried out a test in July 2017 which measured the biggest ranking factors in Google's algorithm. As you'll see from the image below, the 5th biggest factor was referring domains, which essentially means the amount of links you have from unique websites, aka backlinks. And if you actually look below that, you also see backlinks is right under referring domains in position 6. In short, backlinks are huge and can really push a site higher up in Google. However, like anything, with great power comes great responsibility, and doing too much or too many backlinks can do a lot of harm for your website. This is especially true if they're low quality backlinks. Here's an example of a backlink in the real world. I'm currently on a website called Design Our Fix, and I'm reading one of the blog posts which talks about the top reasons to go for a responsive web design. If you look closely in the second paragraph, you can see there's actually a link to a website called Made Simple Media, who just happens to be our client. So if we give this a click, you will see it will link to our client website, Made Simple Media, who, by the way, is actually a web design agency here in the UK. So just to summarize, Design Our Fix now links to Made Simple Media, and as a result, Design Our Fix is giving Made Simple Media a vote of confidence. So Google can actually see this vote of confidence and this backlink, and they'll take that into consideration when ranking Made Simple Media in Google for the keywords they're targeting. And as you already know, backlinks are super powerful and have a massive influence on where you rank in Google. In the next video, I'm going to go over anchor text, which is essentially the clickable text you see within a backlink. I'll see you there.